Hi folks, welcome to Blue Hand Reviews. Alright, what have we got today? Got a room space heater, right? By Opolar, and has thermostat, fan speed. It's 1500 watt ceramic. Like I said, it's got an adjustable thermostat, an adjustable fan. It's good for small and middle rooms. The reason why I'm not unboxing it is because I've used it over the winter. Temperature outside is heating up, and obviously I don't need it anymore until next winter. I do have a heater, but I found that I prefer this. Just seemed to do a better job, you know. So I used it all winter, and I live in the Gulf South, so it's not bitterly cold like in Illinois where I grew up, but it does get pretty cold, and it's a different kind of cold. So it does a really good job, folks, for about 40 bucks. Now, I come from swearing by the old milk house heaters, and if I saw one today, I'd have no problem picking it up because, I mean, they were just reliable, very, very reliable. And I was a little skeptical whenever I ordered this, and but I went ahead and ordered it anyway. Gave it a test all through the winter, and it passed with flying colors. It has the tip over protection. It's powerful, it's portable, and it's also ETL approved. So, folks, this one here is a good thumbs up. I like this product. Once again, it's about 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link to it. Made by Opolar, and it's a good one. It's a good one. I'm glad I bought it now. So that's my review. Folks, let's get that subscribe button smashed. Come over here and look, and I love giving you the review to help me out so I can get more products to review. We'll give you honest reviews. If it's junk, we're going to call it junk. But if it's good, we're also going to give it thumbs up. So, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. You will never be charged anything. You won't be asked for any financial information. It doesn't cost a penny. And it helps us get the subscriber count up. And as that happens, we're able to get more products. And we can bring these reviews to you more often. And that's our goal. That is our goal. Bring you reviews more often, honest, and try to use them in real world situations, you know, and that's what we're all about. So like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Thank you, folks. Good time. We're out. Wow. Might be out of my mind.